Hello and welcome to this interesting and trending topic of the moment, that is foundation models. If you are starting your journey into artificial intelligence, then this could be the cornerstone. In this lesson, we will cover the foundational concepts of foundation models. So let us start with an analogy from our day-to-day life. Let us assume you have decided to build a wall as part of your house extension. You'd need different construction materials, and one of them is bricks. You want to use high quality and durable bricks for the construction. So, my question to you, would you buy these bricks from the factory or build them on your own? Very likely you will buy them. Now, let me take you to the second scenario. Let's say your requirement changes and the wall that you are going to construct is not going to be a plain and simple one. Rather, it's going to be a customized one which may require bricks of different sizes and shapes. What would you do? Well, you will still buy the bricks from the factory and shape it to your requirement or customize it as per your need. Does it make sense? So you have essentially three options. Option number one, you set up a factory for building your own bricks, then use the bricks in constructing the wall. Then option number two is you go to the factory and buy the bricks from there and then construct the wall. And option number three, where you have to customize the wall, you buy the bricks and modify them to the shape you want, depending on the need of the wall that you are trying to build. This essentially forms the basis of AI foundation models. Consider the brick as the foundation model for your AI solution. So, if you want to build an AI solution, now, my question is, would you build an AI model from scratch or look for a foundation model which is already available, just like a brick? I hope the choice is clear now. So, let's define what a foundation model is all about. A foundation model is a type of artificial intelligence model trained on massive, diverse datasets that can be adapted to perform a wide range of tasks across different domains. These models serve as a base layer, like a foundation in architecture, just like the brick in the wall upon which more specialized AI applications are built. So, your foundation model is equivalent to the brick that you used in constructing the wall. These foundation models are trained on large scale unlabeled data. These models learn patterns from the data, contain billions of parameters, and can be fine tuned to a variety of tasks. I hope now you can relate to a foundation model better than before. Thank you.